I'm here in beautiful Jupiter, Florida, where it's January, 78 degrees, and I'm about to show you how to get a fully renovated condo next to this. People often think it's impossible to find a unit like this at this price within walking distance of the beach, but here's your chance.